Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you want every Gumroad sale load inside Notion automatically. If you manage products, customers, or revenue inside dashboards, automation is a total must. So in today's small tutorial, we're going to talk about how to integrate Gumroad with Notion in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to create a new automation. Using Zapier or even Make is totally fine. For me, I'm just gonna go to Zapier.com, select Gumroad here. As for the parent app, I'm gonna go and look for Notion. So select it as well. You can also, as you see, search with Google for free or just integrate for free, it's totally fine. As for the trigger, it must be a new sale, refund, or whatever you want to select. For the chosen action, we have Notion here. I think we're gonna go create the database item in Notion, for example. Create data source item, create an item in a data source. We can also pick this. Now you must be connected. So you can connect your own API key that you're gonna find on Gumroad, settings, advanced, then copy it. You can paste it here later on. For the map field, we have buyer name, email, product, price, and even the date. Now it's time to test if your automation is working properly. So after this, every sale appears in your Notion dashboard instantly. You can also use Notion formulas to auto-calculate the total revenue. It would be easier that way, and I would call it perfect. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.